Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable featuring your items in marketing campaigns in Vinted in 2025. This feature allows Vinted to showcase your items on social media and other websites, and the increased visibility could lead to quicker sales. Of course, it's not guaranteed, but you can enable or disable it depending on whether you agree or not. And to do it, click on Profile in bottom right corner, then go down to Settings, Privacy Settings, and this is the first option. You can disable or enable it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.